Let's learn places in your neighborhood. Go! What can you see? What place is it? Yes, this is a park. Say it again, please. Park, park, park. Good job! There are many animals here. Can you guess what place this is? Yes, it's a zoo. Please say it again. Zoo, zoo, zoo. Amazing! You are doing great! The next place is a restaurant. People go to restaurants to eat. Say it again, please. Restaurant, restaurant, restaurant. Job well done. Keep it up. The next place is school. Kids or adults go to school to learn. Say it again, please. School, school, school. Fantastic. Keep it up. Where are we? Do you know those people? Yes, police officers. And that's a police station. Say it again, please. Police station, police station, police station. Fantastic. Keep it up. Do you like seeing movies? I love watching films. Come. Let's go to a movie theater or a cinema. Please repeat. Cinema, cinema, cinema. That is awesome. The next place is a hospital. There are doctors and nurses who work here. If you are ill or unwell, you can go to this place. Say it again, please. Hospital, hospital, hospital. That is amazing. Now, let's go to our next stop, a supermarket. There are so many things you can buy here. Fruits, vegetables, meat, and many more. Say it again, please. Supermarket, supermarket, supermarket. That is wonderful. Do you want to see many books? Do you love reading? If you do, let's go to a library. This is a library. You can find and read many collections of books here. Say it again, please. Library, library, library. Amazing. Our next stop is a fire station. Say it again, please. Fire station, fire station, fire station. That is wonderful. If there is a fire, you quickly call the firefighters. Go, go, go. The next place is where you can go swimming, have fun, or perhaps build sandcastle. Isn't that wonderful? This place is a beach. Say it again, please. Beach, beach, beach. Awesome. Do you want to go shopping? Get new shoes, clothes, bags, toys, or perhaps eat at a restaurant? Well, let's go to a shopping mall. This is a shopping mall. Say it again, please. Shopping mall, shopping mall, shopping mall. Great job! If you are ill or unwell, ask your mom or your dad to help you buy some medicine at a pharmacy. Say it again, please. Pharmacy, pharmacy, pharmacy. That's right. But make sure you ask your doctor first before you take any medicine. Our last stop is a museum. Wow! Say it again, please. Museum, museum, museum. If you want to learn more about the things in the past, or you want to see those people made or invented or even discovered, go to a museum. It will take you back in time. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to help my dogs get a good life. Thank you. See you again.